What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the zoom effect in Capcut. Whether you are looking to do the slow zoom effect or the fast zoom effect, I'm going to show you all of that in this video. Let's get started. Here in Capcut, as you can see, we have a handsome young man here, and I'm quickly going to show you how to do the zoom effect. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to do the slow zoom effect. So let's say that we are about to start our zoom effect somewhere here. We are going to locate the keyframes icon. So this is it. It looks like a diamond shape with a plus on it. Click on it, and basically what the keyframes does is that it allows you to do different effects from one point to another. So we're going to come somewhere here, and we're going to click on the keyframes icon again. Then we're going to just use our two fingers to paint and zoom the video like that. So what this means is that from this keyframe point to this keyframe point, it is going to gradually zoom from its natural position here to this zoom level. So let's see how that looks. Next, I'm going to show you how to do the fast zoom effect. So let's say that we're about to begin the zoom effect here. We're going to click on the keyframes icon, and we're going to move to somewhere here. So basically, the distance between the two keyframes determines whether it is going to be fast or slow. So if they are far apart, let's say if you add the next keyframes here, that means it is going to take more time to gradually zoom to this level. So the closer it is, the faster it becomes. So if you come somewhere here and we add the keyframes again and we zoom in the video like this, that means it is going to take shorter time to zoom. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so this is the same for the reverse. If you want to do zoom out too, you can as well do that. So let's say that from here we're going to do our zoom out. So we're going to select it and click on the keyframes icon, then move to the place of our choice. We're going to zoom the video back like this. So you can do zoom ins and zoom out video. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so basically that is how to do the zoom effect in Capcut. If you enjoyed this video, please support my goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment down below, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.